I don't know, but
and our situation.
No, say Nansia, one in a trendy. So, breaking news is Resigned if you are Adom TVgh, then probably they be now so point of fingers. Say,
only message no
situation, no.
Oh, nada me ofito onko enyo nya adwuma bio. So akọ adwuma sa how do you know to be a anope kroko adwuma na bibi.
Amafo na ebisa say the one in the way no banter no na ema bidi no doors. It is a ebia resign and ebia na mosuntia na resign. That's what people
yes, so one who bibi sa fine, we don't know why.
Okay.
And we or a bit so cry na nya no correct.
Okay, true.
Social media, you don't believe everything you see there. And in the meantime,
Mcbrown or kasa no cry no wan say bibisa esi na o chese na ya Brefo Oyaa matured say we take decisions enye ni interview when I interview no ho na akra no etie interview na mema motie or react say for the first question obusa no anya de enti ho na react enti sengofo ka say ono enam no so enama resign no de won tie ase because Oyaa matured enanye enankwa na asase mo nkwa na asi e wo interview mu enti na Mcbrown ni reaction na mo hweye no na wa wonim de si wo interview nim no mo mayenhwe ana mo yentie interview no the course between on Mcbrown tema amanfo ehu ni se enam saade no so na ema esie mo mentie
wo yanko Mcbrown nana mate
ya what say
ya ho ye na mini awo so
Nyamiado
magazine ho ye meboa ana ye money sa
Nyamiado mo magazine ho ye pa
mo nana
ya me tio
Bishop nyako ne phone number ye den
mama ntia he phone e busa po atio ya we are journalist we some question we are mean no because it's not a relevant question first of all.
So friend on me person mo say ni nia so on friend. Okay kasa to me to.
Ya mama nkasa me ama me friend so so say me.
Twaso.
Me no kasa.
Twaso.
Enya wo producer na friend me.
Twaso.
Me nia no.
Twaso a.
Enya ye adwuma ba. Na me masem ye tie de nti a me friend so no so. Enka me ampa me nta anye say. But said ye me ni bishop etie no. Se ne oni wiase mu bi oni e kan sem na ye de medi bemo a o se me ba na me yi ano na ya
Mcbrown
ni adwuma e se kwaye e ye busia bare se kwaye e dia bia won sibre na e wiase no so no o ye nyina ye ba ko ba to bia nim ne die Bishop Kwadwo Mercy wa ye nyina na mo ho no Yenina me my heart meaning so be adon yonko. And na bishop anyho and ye beka na kira semse. Me yasa na bishop said your papa we sit here. Na said ye odo ni pa pen one seven na se we see. Na enne me kanti sunana. Me chia me bra penyina o ti bishop bra penyino. Minim no ane say nra na me training who say on social media. Minim no da. Bishop manager no so ni me fine but me kai say minim no. Minim say bishop baboy no so na ti ho no a.
Ho no a.
Yes. Nana me pacho P. I called in with all respect say Bishop ye nipa bia no mpene ho asem tinka hu hiampo say e bedru sabe. And I'm saying I was bishop and I say really me kwa my friend senka me person me no di nkombo bi my friend na me nya ne phone edum no say hi no say wonim ne ba girl na oba friend no ha baby a o papa wo na wa kire me o kire no a oba ko no ne na kodi nkombo so person na ma be hu no a oba ka kire no so person ma so da de me ba o de me baby but on no person o bishop no ko hu no answer na omudi omu komo no bi o ya yon person obi ya be hu no na se mache me wo na ma se friend say bishop ba no say omu wa Accra na o person ba be to me bi akọ the bag girl minim say o ma penyin no na girl penyin di boy na chi me opa we are for girl no me person me create family issue but enam se me dia ba asem no munti na ni die mu a me kasa no me kasa na me ma ne ba girl ne baaye opa me fie ebe tna me and me mobile money man case kasa on bra me flow papa me nya no into one family no ko no so okay no kra no me kan kwa chire wo baaye obae no na odi o maame onanana mama which is bishop maame
sir
me kaka me ba ani nyame a me do no se me friend maame no teste no se mama sabi nyame do me adoma chade kakra ye didi ho mama ye nyimonyam bia ye ko ba bia nipa bie puno maye inti no mame ma umi ni abema no na ba bi wo ho no ho aye nyina ye di ho a ye de ya boa ne ye de ye ni abema na ko me donya me am o hata wie mu am som no se me ma me ne ka kire me se be bia wo no doctor say omu mani pa bebre men no inti minya abotre ne ho to no a ana okọ ho no kra o ye ne ba no den hu no inti so nya kwan ni bishop ka so be ka kire se na na ma friend miss call so send a WhatsApp message me call so one of my friend mama me spend one oh the message pen need you more friend me back me can't question na all the time no I try say me bishop because me say no ya in the swat into on person ni pa be hu no into I wanted to go alone and so many times
you made that effort ba where hu no
me hu no
ma o ka kire mama so o be bere ni bi kakra na be sin ne
me pa cho me
afa na nam kwan so
bia me ka kire mama say mama no na mapoa I didn't say me sika na be say bishop there be me can we with TV so nje ni monyam bia
ba Isaac
me pa cho tie
emiti
na tie
ayo
minim sa wo ye wajuma but when you say mo say cheche mu ko deep because me person me kasa ko echi so but any die mu a wo ka tanya na afa mi ona le bisa producer
somebody
because Matthew na ma so try to bishop we hu no even nipa no kura woni ho bio
e na nka be mo amane kura nti twema me mo amane de esi ya nkasa so wo awutie bi ba minim Isaac dan ko se wo yo torofo wo yo obi a o Elizabeth menye manka po enye
minim no da min share no da me no ni argument or respond bia da me bra panyin no me yina no say me ya trofo a onyame no hata wie mo hwe nyina at the end of the day come on bishop is still a family even though he's no more no me share bishop obanchem me share ma me nchem me share bra no what you no bishop bra panyin no nchem we don't need to argue about it because nipan ko can tell he's no more. I didn't watch your interview, but course now by my phone, and I just felt like that. You would need to need for Casa brat to what yeah. Me man no free one son about the yima no. Into Oba
Mcbrown.
So media nipa no aye kana sanko ni wo.
Na na so what Mcbrown so wan tua hwe.
It is a brat me so enye hwe.
Na oba kwa ye ni bi.
Why?
Oba kwa ye ni bi.
Bi nyame jam monye mojuma nya.
Mcbrown.
Yes, yeah.
Oba kwa ye ni bi.
Adom na min ko be Adom aye bishop oni ben. Adom aye bishop ben oni ben na ya.
O ti abekọ na wotwe bi.
Nana de bisa Adom siande de to akontin se ma me bi dia me ma. But me ni bishop o ti asem me ni no ni asem. Me ni ebusia ni asem. Eye wodo ne de kwa yie. Enye bibia nti se o ti na me ni abema o ti asem me ni no ni asem. Ti metumi akwa yie ni. Unless they will say, I don't have to come there. And I don't think they will say that because Brano and then the man will be any issue.
But
I'm not sure to make her.
Me too, Papa. But one said, I'm Fabo be uncle.
Nana, Bishop, no friend, no phone that do. Apart from no, Mamma, me name the number no for me, Mama. And Nana, ya mekana makana ni die mu a me say nipa no mpo a metimi ayi ma no a che no ni ho abusia ti o ma hwra de kete even though Ghana ya tu se ahwra de no abusia